Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a quick review of what I've created for my course. Here I'm showing my instructional guide. This is just the first page as a little introduction to the instructional guide. Um, I decided to do something that I could use in my current work. This is something I plan to share with my colleagues. As a potential workshop or series of workshops that we can use with the group of students that I work with. Um, and so my content is on preparing for college admission exams. So the SAT and the ACT being the most commonly used in the United States. So mine is basically the instructional guide is what holds everything together because it's not a website, it's not a workbook, it's not all PowerPoints. There's a variety of different things that play into this course. So there's not always going to be a visual PowerPoint or something to look at on a screen. It's going to be really in classroom activities, kind of like a traditional setting. Um, so the course starts off with a PowerPoint introduction to the content that we're going to be talking about. So it's a quick rundown of what the SAT and ACT, what they really are, what they entail, what they're used for, how much they cost, how to, well, actually, it doesn't talk about how to register, but that's something we do later on. So it's just a quick little introduction for students. And in order to make this more fun, because I know it's not a very fun topic, I created this Jeopardy game, which I can demo right now. So if you've seen Jeopardy, you know how it works. The students would choose a category with the points that they want to play for, and then the question comes up. And I would be doing this in a classroom, so I would separate the classroom up into two or three teams, and then a team gets to answer the question. If they get it correct, they get the points. Whoops, I already found a mistake I have to fix. That was supposed to be 800 points. That was working before. Anyways, I'll fix that. How long does it take to complete the SAT exam? They get the answer. If they got it right, then they get the points. Whoops, I did something wrong there. So you have to click the little house button here to. But anyways, that's the game. That's supposed to be what makes it more enticing for the students. Um, Aside from that, what else did I want to show you guys? I have some handout forms, kind of like this here, that the students would be using. So this is a college options exploration worksheet where I'm requiring the students to explore the websites of the colleges that they're interested in and document this information. My end goal there is that they see what the minimum GPA requirements are, and if they're asking for ACT or SAT scores, what those are. Um, and just a couple other things on here. I made this bottom half optional. It's really more about how much would it cost to go to that college, and I left some space for notes. I'm also requiring them to do this for at least one community college, one public university, one private, and an online degree program. Um, I also have this other worksheet that I created for SMART goals. So at some point in about halfway through the course, students are going to be asked to create a goal related to college admissions exams and to document how they plan to achieve that goal, being that the most of the course is going to be giving the students time to get together to study and really focus on what they need to work on to prepare themselves for their tests. So this is just, a bit of what my course looks like. I hope you guys think it looks good. And that's all. Thank you.